Hello everyone, this is Rahila Tabassum and I am right now working in RAN Group of Institution as a secondary head. Before this, I was a principal in Jain Heritage Cambridge School, Shamirpet. I used to work with R&D team, whereas research and development was also taken care. And my experience in CBSE is almost for 20 years, 20 and above, where I started working as a homeroom teacher for grade 3. I have done my D.Ed, B.Ed and M.Ed. My qualification is Masters in English Language and Literature along with M.Ed. With this, I just wanted to register myself because recently I attended a TOT session and there I got interested because I am training teachers since long, almost a decade, wherein I stepped into a leadership role somewhere around back in when I was in Orchids as a coordinator and as a vice principal. So I have worked with different schools of CBSE, in Orchids, the International School, Bangalore, the Jain Heritage Cambridge School, Shamirpet, which is in Hyderabad, Ideal English School, which is in Kerala. So these are all the CBSE schools where I have worked as a principal. As a teacher and PGT, TGT as well. So in Kautilya Vidyalaya, Mysore, Savitri Convent, Mysore. So all these are my experiences. At the same time, when we talk about teacher training, yes, of course, we have almost attended all the CBSE trainings, but when there is a question asked like how many hours of training I have done with CBSE, so as a trainer, I have not done. That's why I have mentioned as 0. At the same time, I was the city coordinator for NEET, and there also when we used to become a center superintendent or the NEET city coordinator, we have to conduct much of training, meetings, collaborate with people. So yes, I hold a very good track record of being a trainer, and I used to take up trainings. And now as this opportunity of CBSE has come to Dubai for being TOT, that means train the trainees, so I would love to register myself. And at the same time, I would like to thank the authorities for giving this opportunities to all the teachers, vice principals and admin staff for getting enrolled, for being certified trainers from CBSE. So thank you for this opportunity, and I look forward for the call from the CBSE. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.